The objective of this lecture is to understand the driving risks and the way to deal with it. These are the main modules which we will discuss in the lecture. Road safety is your responsibility. Moving off and stopping. Intersections and approaching junctions. Turnings. Lane discipline, changing lane and overtaking. Roundabouts. Parking. Heavy and articulated vehicles. Let's start with the first module. Road safety is your responsibility. Driving involves risks, a risk that can lead to a crash which may injure or kill. One of the main factors of major accidents is driving carelessly or inconsiderately. Often, motorists fail to realize the driving condition and cannot manage the risk appropriately. This leads to undesired consequences. Motorists must adapt their driving style according to the environment and make sure that they are driving according to the situation. The best way to manage risk is to be prepared and make good decisions on time. Motorists should always slow down gradually and drive at speed that suits the conditions. Maintain the safe space around the vehicle. Stay behind rather than overtake if planning to turn from the junction ahead. Control the vehicle before turn for smooth and safe turning. To maximize safety and minimize risk on the road, motorists should always plan their journey and avoid actions that can add danger, such as speeding, driving under the influence of alcohol or sedative medicines, driving with tiredness or aggressiveness, driving without seatbelt, driving a vehicle in poor condition. Speed is one of the main factors in fatal road accidents. It is directly linked to the crashes. Remember, speed thrills, but it kills. Speed can really mean the difference between life and death. The faster someone is driving, the less time they have to stop if something unexpectedly happens. It is important not to exceed the legal speed limit of the road. Speed limits are set by the legislative authorities after a study on particular roads and its surroundings. It is posted clearly on the stretches of road so that motorists are aware of this. Generally, speed limits on the roads are defined as follows. Parking area or service road, 25 km per hour. Urban single carriageway, 40 km per hour. Urban dual carriageway, 60 km per hour or 80 km per hour as signed. Rural roads, 100 km per hour. Freeways, 120 km per hour for light vehicles, 80 km per hour for heavy vehicles, and 60 km per hour is the minimum speed.